Good morning, my Disney lovelies. So this morning, as you can tell, I've got nothing on the face. The reason is because it's my day off and I don't feel like doing my makeup. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be packing for my one-day trip to go to the Christmas party. So excited. Cannot wait. I'm going to get jolly and so merry and I'm so excited. But like, how do you pack for like a 2-day trip? Because I don't know. I've never packed for like a 2-day. It's usually 4 or more. We're gonna see how that's gonna turn out. So that's great. Okay, so right now we are in the Target parking lot. If you can't see past my sisters. The Target parking lot. We're gonna try and see if they have a duffel bag inside so we could pack.
What?
What are you looking for? You came here for something?
Christmas.
Oh, Christmas gifts. Alrighty, so we'll see you inside. Oh, you are recording?
Yeah.
I said, I think this is the bag we're gonna get. Because it's perfectly sized. I think it'll fit on an airplane. Yeah. I mean, if not, I can always put it in the upper head. But yeah, so we're thinking we're gonna get this. Okay, so we just finished our Target run. We spent more than we wanted. But it is what it is, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So we're gonna see you at home. Hi, Mom.
I'm a YouTuber.
Okay, so we're back home. I started packing. As you can tell, I have a giant pile of mess here. We tried recording, but it was all over the place and I kept dropping things. This guy. Did it all fall out the front again. No. So I'm like, you know what? I have to do it on the floor because that's the only way I pack is either on the floor or on the bed. So I already packed my intimates, so you don't have to worry about those. Although I did want to show off these, I got them from Target. They're super cute. They've got little llamas on them with little tree sunglasses as well as a wreath necklace. So those are going to be worn for the Christmas party, so I have some fuzzy socks to wear. Now, we're going for 2 days, so I'm going to be having an outfit to wear for Epcot. So I figured really nice and easy. I made this shirt. I put the Rapunzel sun on it. So I made this shirt. It's got the Rapunzel sun right here. And on the back, it's got the Rapunzel sun as well. It was one of the very first shirts I ever made with the silhouette, which is like the knockoff cricket. And we just got a cricket, so we're gonna have to learn how to use that to make other shirts. So that I just paired with my high-waisted American Eagle shorts that I always wear. So that is gonna go together. Now I'm using a packing cube. With the packing cubes, I always pack it and then condense it, but I right now have it condensed because it's not a lot of stuff anyway, because I'm only going for 2 days, so. My sister's behind the camera, she's filming for me. You wanna turn the camera around to yourself?
Yo.
So that's gonna go here. We're staying for a night, so I have a pair of pajamas. I just have these really cute shorts from my high school. I got them at Walmart last summer, I think. And then just a oversized Planet Fitness t-shirt that I got when I first joined Planet Fitness. Now with that short set, my mom said it's gonna be high 80s, low 64. So I'm bringing a sweater just in case it's cold to go with that outfit, which I would either be wearing the shorts if it's 80s or the jeans, which I'm currently wearing if it's low 64s. But if it's low, I'm gonna be wearing this really cute, just gray cardigan to go with it. Just so I have something to keep me warm if it's cold. I don't know how to fold cardigans. Like, how do you fold these things? Okay, let me try this. This is just a really old one I got from Walmart years ago. It's actually just starting to fit me better than it used to, just because when I first got it, it was kind of really tight, and now it's actually fits pretty good. Fits how I originally wanted it to fit, is how it fits now. Okay, so that's in. I'm trying to get everything into one packing cube, including my ears and my toiletries. I want to try and get it into one packing cube, so then the rest is all just like electronics and things that I don't need, that I'll need like that day on the plane. With that outfit for Epcot, I'm going to be wearing really cute rose gold ears, which were just from Parks. I got them. Actually, no, I bought these ones from the store. So these ones like this year, I think. And for the Christmas party, if we don't get the Christmas tree cardigan from, I'm gonna wear this really cute buffalo check cardigan to go with my super cute buffalo check ears. We're gonna make shirts for this. I don't know what we're gonna make, but we plan to make shirts with her new Cricut. So hopefully we make them in time, because I don't have anything to wear under this otherwise. If we don't, I'll probably wear like a black tank top or something. I also have these here, which I'm going to be bringing for my mom if she wants to wear them, so she can be extra festive and merry, because I know she loves things like that. I also have in my duffel this. I bought it off of Amazon. It's basically a jewelry holder, so it organizes all your jewelry so nothing gets tangled or broken or anything like that, because when you travel, it's very easy for your necklaces to get tangled and everything. So I've got pocket for bracelets, individual spots for necklaces, and then earrings. I only brought a couple different kinds, but I'm gonna put that on the side here. Then I have my toiletries bag. I always have this packed and ready to go just for any trip I go on, just because I don't want anything to be like left out. So I always have it always updated. If I'm running out of something, I'll wash it out and redo it. So in here, I always carry body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, of course, my toothbrush, the toothpaste, deodorant, setting spray, and sunscreen. And then I also have a chafe gel. So for your thick-thighed ladies, that helps you out. And when I pack this, even though it's in this plastic TSA-approved container, I always put pieces of, I guess, garbage bag or plastic bags in the like top of the conditioner before I screw the cap on. So when, if say like it leaks or anything, it doesn't get all over the place. It just kind of like leaks onto itself. So yeah, there's always a piece of plastic on the thing. And I reuse the same pieces of plastic so I don't hurt the turtles or anything, because nobody likes to hurt the turtles. Part of it is getting everything to sit nice. Then I have this. So this right here I got from Target as well. It's a first aid kit. I bought this my last trip when I went in October with my girlfriends. And inside I have it fully stocked. So I've got like baby powder, Excedrin migraine. I got some ladies' feminine hygiene products. I have like Pepto-Bismol if your stomach starts to hurt. I also have Tums. Then I have cold and flu medicine in here. Dayquil and NyQuil. I got a Tide to Go stick. I have Band-Aids and Neosporin. So this is always stocked and ready to go. Tissues. My fiance started taking stuff out of here and I was like, no, this is for our trips. This is supposed to stay stocked for our trips. So if anyone gets hurt on the trip, we have something for them. And he was like, but why would, that's a waste of money. I'm like, no, it's not. We're going to use it at some point. And then you got to zip it up. The cool thing about these is they're compression cubes. So they compress everything down. So if I want to, I can take this part here, and these things can compress a whole ton. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna rip it because of how much I pack in it. So I'm trying to pack light this time around. I'm gonna have to add these jeans in later, but it's always easier just to add it in after I've already zipped it and compressed it. Now when I pack, I always try as well to stack my outfits for how I'm gonna wear them. This is just a 2-day trip, so I'm not gonna be stacking it like that. Whatever day I'm going to what park, I'll have it ready to go. So say if I'm going to Epcot my first day, I'll have that on the top so I can just grab it and put it on. And I do shirt, shorts, and whatever accessory. Smart packing tips, right? Perfect, so that is all good to go in there. And then bought this cute duffel bag from Target. is about $30. So then I'm gonna take my first aid kit and put it in on the side there. Let's see. And now I have more space for my electronics. This is my makeup bag. I'm not gonna pack it just yet because I don't have my makeup ready to go because I'm still gonna be using it until the day of. But inside I have a fabric spray. I also carry extra hair ties, a compact mirror, and a hand sanitizer spray in there too. Along with, when I go during the summer, my Pixie dust to go on my cheeks. I also put my hairbrush in here, as well as my makeup and my makeup brushes. I'm gonna be packing this in here too, but once again, I still have to pack that. Along with my electronics, because I'm currently filming on one of them. I'm checking my list now. I always make a list, because it's smart to make a list and then just check it off as you go. I go into my notes, and I just write down everything that I need, and then I check it off as I go. I usually bring a fanny pack, but this time I'm just gonna bring a backpack, which I have right here. It's just a basic bag. I don't remember where I got this one. It's been so long. Icing. I got this one from Icing. I think they still have it at Icing too. I think I saw it the other day. I just carry my wallet. This is my travel wallet. It's just nice and small and compact. I throw my cards and my passes in here. Oil absorbing sheets ready to go because it gets hot sometimes. I've never gone during December, so I'm not too sure how it's gonna be. Pins. Oh God. Which are all on my lanyard. They're really cute. These are my traders. I only keep my traders on my lanyard. I don't put any non-traders on my lanyard. And that I just keep in my little secret pouch. So I don't have to wear it on my neck. I just put it in my backpack. Also have my pair of sunglasses and an extra magic band as well. And this one is just my Millennial Pink Snacks magic band. And I keep that right in the front pocket. So this time I'm going to be using a backpack. It's nice and compact, so I can fit, if I buy things, I can put other things in here just to carry home. But yeah, and then I got all these keychains and fun things on it. My little Disney Hunchback of Notre Dame and my little Goofy Movie Disney VHS tape keychain. A picture of me and my fiance, as well as some little charms. Yeah, that's pretty much majority of a pack with me for a 2-day trip. It's gonna go be my carry-on, and this is gonna be my personal. Yeah, I think that'd be it, except for the jeans that I'm currently wearing and then the extras. So yeah, thanks for joining me on this pack with me because I was unsure of what to pack. Hopefully this helps you with any packing tips or anything like that. This is just what I would bring on a 2-day trip. It's really simple. I don't want to overpack because I know I tend to. Hopefully this helped you out. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And remember to thank the Phoenicians. We'll see you next week.